Did you go in, Maeve? Did Maeve go in? Who's dirty boy? Not you, Joe. Me baby. Little sausage. Me little sausage. Oh, yeah. Hey! Hey! Enough! You're barking at? No one's there. I've tipped them all in except for George. You're a bit heavy, aren't you, George, to put in the pool? Do you want to go in? Cool off? Hey? Look at her. She just loves it, look. Oh, that's nice. Is that good, Tal? Is that good? Yeah, you've got a big wet tail now, haven't you? Did you get right in? Good girl. What? What? What little sausage? Dolly just loves it. Look at her laying down in it. Oh, that's good. That's so good. He's been told off, haven't you, Elvis? Hey? Doing things to George. Yeah, he's told off. Artie's been in, haven't you, Artie? Artie, have you been in the pool? Have you been in the pool? Hey, has Artie been in? Hey, has Artie been in the... Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice with Wilbur. Nice. I know you think you're my boy. You're all my boys, aren't you? Hey. Get back, you're not running through the house wet. Get in. You little sod, you can get in. What are you doing, drying yourself off? Dolly! Going in, Wilb. Going in the tunnel. George loves the sunshine, don't you, George? Hey, come here. Come here, let's see, can I put you in? Come on. Come on. Come on. He's dipped his feet. Dipped your feet, Dolly. 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 Dolly, it's not your pool. Look at him looking for George. Elvis. No. Elvis, no. Leave him. Elvis. Elvis, no.